opportunity which is working right now in around 23 countries. So it's a great opportunity, and right now in around 6 months ago it has launched in India. So it's a early bird advantage, and the person who will be availing this opportunity will definitely change his life in future. So let's start with the amazing Atomy opportunity. And first of all, I will be bringing you the profile part, the product part, the plan, and the payouts. So every company has some foundation, then only we work in that company. So the company starts with its profile, its product, plan, and payouts. All these things is a complete solution for whichever a man's look for. So let's start the Atomy company profile. The company started in 2009 in South Korea. The global business started in 2010 in USA. From there, the company started the actual network marketing, because USA is the foundation of all the major network marketing companies. Right now, it is running around in 21 plus countries and planning to open its offices in around 40 more countries. If we talk about the global ranking, it's around 11th in direct selling association, and if we talk about the annual turnover, it's around 12,000 crore, and around 2.5 lakhs people are already become millionaires. Further, to talk about the strategy of the company, so company works on mastery strategy, that means absolute quality at absolute price, and it also works on global sourcing and global sales, which in India means be vocal for local. That means this company, whichever it enters in any country, it do the R&D and research and development work about the local ingredients and make the product with its research and development team and make it on the global platform and market it all over the world. Let's talk about the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, which is the backbone of this company. Around 1400 members are researchers in this company, and it is the biggest research institute after NASA, which works on radiation and biotechnology. So you can imagine the backup of this company about the product quality of this company. The second backbone of this company is Kolmar, which works on OEM and ODM. OEM means original equipment manufacturer, and ODM means original design manufacturer. This Kolmar company is around 50 years old company, and it has around 1000 global clients and around 20,000 patented formulas. So we can imagine what the background of this company is. To talk about some of the clients which the Kolmar is in already in association with. So in the screen you must be seeing the names of some big giants like Johnson and Johnson, Amway, Pfizer. Then you can name Oriflame, Herbalife. So these are very big companies who have been taking formula from Kolmar in any, and they are taking all the formulas and all the technology from the Kolmar. Talking about some of the research and development institutes, so cosmetics has the different division, and pharmaceuticals has the different division, and health supplements have the different division in R&D department of Kolmar. Some of the pictures you can see on your screen. Talking about the Atomy distribution system, so Carey and Kolmar are the backbone of the products, and with their collaboration, it has been association with the name of Kolmar BNH, that means beauty and health, and with this banner of Atomy, it is distributing the products all over the world with the help of the online shopping malls. Talking about the Atomy head office, it is located in South Korea. Then in India office, it is in Magnum Tower 2, Golf Course Road. Then our visionary founder, Dr. Hengel Park. You can see some of the major Fortune, Forbes and Frontline magazines on which he has been covered on the front page. Then some of the Indian certifications which you can see on your screen about the certificate of incorporation, and the major thing is that around 10 crore 50 lakhs amount has been paid for as a paid capital to enroll in this incorporation of certification, and you can also watch the halal certificate on your screen. Furthermore, we can talk about the EMI program of the company, which you can see it is in Taiwan, Singapore and much other companies. Before the pandemic was there, the company used to host the event at free of cost for all of us. Talking about the logistic partners, it is one of the biggest company in the world, naming CJ Darsal. They are the logistic partners. You can name the companies which are already associated with it, like Reliance, Berger, Tata Steels. So already major companies are associated with CJ Darsal. Here comes the product range, which is the backbone and the foundation of this company. which all over the world is talking about, and being such a great giant, it is working on the different sectors like healthcare, skincare, personal care, food and beverages, home care, female wear, kitchenware, menswear. So in itself, they all are big industries. But the Atomy company is coming with such a huge range of products in all over world, and right now they are working with 50 products in India. So let's talk about already which products are there in the world. So first of all, we will talk about the master product which has been made, which is in naming Hemohim, and it is made of 8 years of research and around 35 crores of research amount has been put in on this to make this product. The disease on which basically this medicine we can say, or food supplement we can say, it works, it basically increases the hemoglobin level, and it is improves the immunity in a person. Talking about many diseases on which it works, maybe it cancer, diabetes, cholesterol, BP, and number of disease, you name it, and this health supplement works on it. You can see some of the pictures like stage 4 cancer patient has been recovered with this, and skin diseases like psoriasis and white spots has been already cured using this health supplement. Next on the list is the Atomy toothpaste. The major ingredient of this toothpaste is propolis and green tea extract, which removes the dental plaque, tartar deposition, dental cavities, bad breath, and furthermore, to name around 40 disease can be removed from the home. Like we don't need any Dettol, we don't need any Orasol, we don't need any burnt has been put on our face, or burnt has been put on some of our skin. It can be used very easily. Next on the list is Atomy toothbrush, which is super soft bristles, gold powder coated, antibacterial, rounded slim head, diamond cut grip. Around annual sales of, talking about this annual sales, around 30 million pieces have been already sold. Next in the bucket list is our hair tonic, which is a very great product for hair regrowth and also for preventing the hair loss, which is very useful in our day-to-day life. It prevents hair loss and also thickens the density of the hair. Next is the product is our hair essential oil, very important. It provides the complete nourishment. Talking about the ingredients, it has avocado and jojoba oil in it. Next in the listed, herbal shampoo and conditioner and scalp care set, which consists of neem and shikakai. So if you have less problems in your hair, you can go for the herbal care, and if you have more problems like dandruff and falling of hairs, then we can go for scalp care set. Next in the list is evening care set, which is called everyday care, which includes hand soap, Atomy herbal body cleanser, body lotion. Talking about this hand soap, very important in this pandemic. It can be used as a sanitizer. Then next in the list is herbal body cleanser, very soothing in nature, very moisturizing, and the bars, which soap bars which we use in our home is very unhygienic. If we go for this herbal body cleanser, all these things, it is very cheap in use, and around 500 ml of bottle size is there. Next in the list is body lotion, very soothing and moisturizing in nature, around 300 ml comes. Next in the list is our very wonderful product, which is already in other countries, it is there, named Noni. It comes with 18 amino acids, 12 vitamins and 7 minerals. The major benefits of this product is it has great antioxidants properties, blood purification, metabolic activities has been increased increased using this product. It detoxifies the body, it improves the immunity level, and very important, it prevents from our bad cells, that is which develops the cancer activities. Next in the list is spirulina, very important product. This is called superfood. The next, it is Alaska omega 3. This is extracted from Alaska. Then next in the list is iLutein. This is from Japan. iLutein basically works like if you have blurry vision or have specs, then this is very important product. Next is Soplamato. It is a multi-complex for men. Next we have a very good product, very useful in this pandemic, vitamin C. Then next is probiotics, used for good gut health. Then red ginseng, very important for oldies, it is a must used product. The next is calcium, very important for women's and men's also. Women's have the major disease of like osteoporosis. So in that case, this is the must-have product because the observation power of this product is very high. Around 70+% is the observation power of this product. Next is Atomy Lady Care Set. If you talk about it, is like a pomegranate beauty. Then the next is Sapphire Queen. Then next is Color Food Multivitamin. Then Turmeric MSM. It is used for joint pain and all, which women may basically have. Next in the list is skin care. Atomy Evening Care. It can be used for men's and women both, because skin care and cosmetics are two different segment. Skin care can be used by men and women both. Then Atomy Evening Care Set, if we talk about, if we have a pack of 4, it consists of deep cleaning, foaming cleaning, then peeling gel, then peel face off mask. Next is the Fame Set, which consists of the toner, lotion, essence, nutrition cream, eye cream. Next is Atomy Hydra Brightening Care Set, which hydrates the body. Normally what happens, our skin gets dry. This fulfills the water level and maintains the pH level of the skin. Next in the list is Absolute Selective, which consists of very important ingredients, like it provides the antioxidants property, which if you are having the face of if someone is having in 30s, having the face look like face of around 40, he or she can feel that if you use this product, he or she will feel young and she will be looking like in their 25 or 30s. So very important in regenerating the cells of the skin. Next in the list is Atomy's Gel Mask, which can be used to put on like if we go to the parlors, but this product is very useful. It is very cheap in cost. It will cost you around 100 rupees. Next in the list is Atomy Sunscreen Lotion, which consists of white and beige. Then next in the list is BB Cream, which consists of SPF 30, and it removes the blemishes balms of men and women both. Next is the traveling kit, which consists of small packs, small poppies, which can be very handy in during our travel times. Then we have Men's Care, which has toner, lotion, essence. Then AC Care Special for men or women which are daily exposed to our AC and all. Then we can use this AC Care Special. Then next is Hand Therapy, which is very soothing. Like we have rose water, soft poppies, different flavors. Then we have Calming Care Skin Care Set. Next in the list is very important product for our babies, like their skin is different from the adults. So we have the Atomy Sarah Baby. Sarah Baby, it has lotion. Then we have a body wash and shampoo in one piece. Then we have a cream. Next in the list is chewable multivitamins for the our kids. Next we have very important product. If you have a fan of a coffee product, then this is the best coffee, which is provides natural antioxidants and reduces the cholesterol level. Also provide it lower down the sugar levels. Next in the list is 5-layer stainless steel set, which is very important product. Actually, when we cook the products, the natural ingredients with the multivitamins or the vitamins which the nutrients which our vegetables have, it washes out. But using this 5-layer stainless steel, it maintains the nutrients. And also when we use the aluminum or other 2 layers stainless steel products, it releases a large amount of toxins, which is very harmful for our body. Next in the list is the dish detergent. Then we have a stainless steel scrubber, sponge, latex gloves. And very important product is coming up. It is liquid detergent. It is an eco-friendly, and it is very helpful for the clothes also. The clothes will not turn off very easily. Next in the product is we have the bed sheets and other bathroom accessories. Next in the product list is the Atomy Air Purifier, very important product in this pandemic. It purifies with the harmful bacterial effects which the air have in our rooms. A lot of products is coming up, like mascara, eyeliners are coming up for the women's. For men's, it is also lots of products are there, like shoes, belt, shirt, then undergarments. A lot of things is here to come. And the next, which in all autoimmune is waiting for, is that Azamol, which works on AI, artificial intelligence. But basically it works like whatever you want to purchase, you can try it on yourself and then you can buy from the Azamol. It is already working in South Korea, but it is next upcoming up in other countries also.